This is what we have going on today. A project involving stonework, pavers, a drainage system along that area, and also flower bed borders on that end over there. So in here, the customer had a really small section where they had their fire pit. So we made it a little bit bigger and a little bit better. So also you see those stones right there, or those precast pavers. We are going to cut those into our pavers and bed them in there, because those were actually made by their kids when they were little. So it's a nice memory. So we want to put them in a place so they don't get damaged or anything like that. So what better place than the fire pit area where everybody gets together. So that's that. This is all new, all this retaining wall. Also we have some steps also that we put in, and then it goes all the way there. We're going to do irrigation in here. Actually, we're doing irrigation in front and back of the property, and then we're doing grass in here. Basically it's an extension of the existing patio. And also we have flower beds going on or being installed in the corner. The border is being installed. This is with a concrete foundation and also mortar between the joints, so everything stays in one place. You see that? On this side right here, we have a French drain with a sump pump right in there. So one of the issues the owner has is when it rains really heavily, all of this gets flooded with about 4 inches of water. Eventually it drains out of the property, but we need something to expedite the process of drainage. So what we did is we have a French drain system going on all in this area. You can actually see the gravel that it shows a little bit, and this is where the sump pump is going to be installed. This is the power outlet that we're connecting to, and everything is going to be pumped to the front of the property in that direction. So that is going to drain everything very efficiently and prevent flooding in there, because we don't want the chickens to go underwater. So that will be that. And then everything else that you see is going to have gravel, river rock, a native river rock, you know, with round edges, so it's pleasant to walk on. This is going to be all cleaned up, and yeah, that'll be it. We'll post more updates once everything is completed.